Hello everyone, welcome back. Before diving into the project, I would like to quickly show you a course overview. So in this course, we'll have roughly 7 sections. The section 1 will be an introduction section, and then we will see the setup and a quick Spring demonstration. And then we will see how to build the landing page and product model for our project. In section 4, we'll start to use Spring Hibernate and JP8 to communicate with the database. And after that, we'll use Spring Security to control our login. And also, we will add the shopping cart functionality to the project. And in section 6 and 7, we'll expand the whole application into a more sophisticated website. So section 2, we have the setup and the demo. We'll look at how to do the environment setup by downloading JDK, Tomcat, and IntelliJ IDE. We'll also look at the MVC design pattern. How does MVC work? And also we'll start to build a Hello Spring demonstration to make sure the environment is set up correctly. And also you will have a brief idea on how does the Spring application is developed. And in section 3, we'll look at the landing page and product. We'll use the Bootstrap to develop a landing page. And also we'll add the product model, the product list with Bootstrap table. And then we'll look at how to use shared templates to extract the common codes for the view files. And in section 4, we'll start to look at Spring Hibernate and JPA. We'll take a look at the ORM concept and how to use Spring Hibernate and JPA to persist models. And then we'll start to develop the add and edit product functionality. After that, we'll add how to upload product image. And then we'll do some model-related field validation development. In section 5, we'll start to use the Spring Security to add the login control. And also we'll start to add the shopping cart functionality, which includes adding the shopping cart related models, and we will be using in-memory data instead of database data for prototyping. And also we'll use Spring to develop a REST service, and then we'll use AngularJS to consume those REST services. And in section 6 and 7, we'll expand the whole application. And you can see from this diagram quickly, we will have a guest which can register as customer and can view product and can log in as customer or admin and do the corresponding operations for different roles. So that's pretty much for the whole course. You feel excited? Okay, let's jump to the next lesson.